Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is the 26th of June, Tuesday. It's 15 past noon, London time. Um, I'm just recording a video now that I have some time. Um, uh, because yesterday, I received an email from a guy who, basically wanted to purchase my course and was sending me some questions about it and stuff. He basically was he's an intraday scalper. Okay, he trades the very short time frames, such as the 5-minute charts, 15-minute charts stuff. And he was asking me whether he could implement my system, into his own trading from a scalper's point of view. And today I've been actually following the very short time frames in order to send him some screenshots, and well, I've just decided to record a video. Why not? Today, for example, in the Euro JPY, in the 5-minute chart, Euro against Japanese yen. We've seen a couple of opportunities from a scalping point of view. As you guys know, probably if you've been following the charts today, it's been a very bearish day for all the yen crosses. Okay, have a look at what happened today in the London session. All right, it's the screen I'm showing you right now. This is the 5-minute chart. Okay, have a look at especially this precise swing. Okay. I was following this in real time, but I did not trade it because I'm not a scalper. Okay, I don't base my trades off the 5-minute chart. As you guys know, I basically trade the shorter time frame. I trade as my setup chart is the 30-minute chart. Okay, but I'm more of a swing trader than a scalper. But nonetheless, I wanted to show him that it's perfectly possible to implement this technique, to the 3 simple moving average system from like I said, from a scalper point of view. Okay, have a look here. Moving averages all pointing down, clearly trending markets. Okay. To the downside. Price swings down, retraces back to the dynamic area of support with a confluence of elements. We have a previous double bottom here, okay, former support, now working as resistance. Also, this is the 50% Fibonacci level. I've measured it already. This is the 50% Fibonacci level, and of course, the dynamic area of resistance. Of resistance. Okay, we have a trend line break right there. Okay, you see this retracement trend line there with a 1-bar pull. Let me zoom in a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. Okay, we have the retrace. Jeez, it's so difficult to draw a straight line with your mouse. Okay, like I was saying, previous double bottom. Okay, dynamic area of resistance, 50% Fibonacci of the whole swing down right there. Okay, former support, now working as resistance, etc., etc. Trend line, retracement trend line right there, breaks to the downside with a 1-bar pullback. You see that green bar down there? Okay, this green bar retesting this retracement trend line from below. Okay, we break down, we pull back, and continuation move right there. Valid short entry from a technical point of view, and off we go to the downside. New swing is created. Okay, now I was following this chart for the same reason. Okay, dynamic area of support once again, previous bottom, okay, previous swing bottom, now perhaps working as resistance, along with the round number, the trend line, okay, the day's trend line, and like I was saying, and also the 61% Fibonacci level. This is the retracement trend line, and once again the trade plan was the same as within the previous swing, okay? Was waiting for a breakout, pullback, continuation. Instead of that, we've broken to the upside, and therefore no trade has taken. Well, I don't want to mislead you guys. I did not take this trade, okay? Please don't, I have no reasons to lie here or anything. I haven't profited from this, okay? Even though I spotted the opportunity, I don't take trades off the 5-minute charts. It's just not my area of let's say, expertise, okay? You know, I'm not a scalper. I am not a good scalper, so I don't risk my money with this kind of trades. But nonetheless, anyone who's proficient enough in this kind of trades could easily apply my system, my techniques, my trading approach, however you want to call it, to scalp the markets. Okay. Once again, swing. We also have a swing down here, down to former. Well, what is it? There it is, down to a former level of support down there. But nonetheless, the actual trend didn't begin all the way, begin until this swing here, okay? Because in here we didn't quite retrace all the way back to the dynamic area of support, of resistance, sorry. In here we did, okay? We had different elements of confluence, okay? Fibonacci, previous swing low, dynamic area of resistance, etc., etc., okay? We break below in momentum. You see these 2-3 bars down here, you know, in momentum. Then we retrace back. We find resistance at the previous support level. We break the retracement trend line. We have my typical 1-2-3 formation, you know, breakout, pullback, continuation, which is signified by that green bar down there. And as we made new lows, right there is a valid entry from a technical point of view. In this case, in here the trade plan was exactly the same: breakout to the downside, pullback, continuation. But well, we broke to the upside instead. Okay, these levels, this confluence of resistance that I had, the round number, the 61% Fibonacci level, the previous swing low, the dynamic area of support, it broke to the upside, and that's the beauty of having a trade plan. If price doesn't do what you want it to do, well, you take no loss. Basically, you take no trade and you're safe. All right. In order to take a trade, as far as I'm concerned, price has got to do to a T exactly what I want it to do. If it doesn't, there is no entry to be taken, okay? In this case, from a very intraday point of view, as you guys can see, this is the 5-minute chart, okay? Well, that was all really. It was just a quick video. It's not any trade that I've taken or I've profited from. It's just a video that all of you have, you know, if you've taken my course and you were wondering whether you can apply my system into a very, very intraday trading approach, yes, you do. Okay. In my opinion, it's not my favorite type of trading. I'm not gonna lie to you, okay? I favor swing trading of the hourly, of the 4 hours time frame. Those are my two favorite time frames. But nonetheless, if you wanna give the system a twist, and well, you basically want it to become an scalping system, you certainly can, okay? As you can see, the tools that I show you every day on my videos, usually in the hourly or the 4 hours time frame, can be applied exactly the same into the 5 minutes time frame as you've seen in this video. All right. Like I was saying before, at the end of the day, my system is nothing but a trend exploiting system, and trends develop in every time frame, okay, be it the 4 hours time frame, the daily, the weekly, or the 5-minute chart, as it was this case. Okay, that was all, guys. Bye bye.